Finding the hypotenuse. So we can see in the question here, the x is the hypotenuse opposite the right angle, and that's the length that we're trying to find here. So find the value of x, giving your answer to 2 decimal places. So the reference angle here is 26 degrees, and the 18 meters is opposite that. So we can see that in this question we're using the opposite and the hypotenuse. So we can go to our mnemonic, so, car, toa. Opposite and hypotenuse means we're using the sine. The sine of the angle, which is 26 degrees, is equal to the length of the opposite, which is 18, divided by the length of the hypotenuse, which is x. So notice in the equation here that the x is in the denominator. Now, we could multiply both sides by x. That will give me x times sine 26 degrees is equal to 18. The sine 26 is just a single number, so let's just look at that on the calculator. If I do sine 26, it's just a number, and it's multiplying the x. So if we divide both sides by sine 26, we get x is equal to 18 divided by sine 26. Now there's a shortcut here. If you look at this line and this line, you can see that the sine 26 and the x have just swapped positions. So when you have this situation, you can just go straight to here and skip the intermediate step. Now we just need to calculate. So we have 18 divided by the sine of 26. And that gives me 41.061. So 41.061. And so on. And we want that to 2 decimal places. The third decimal place is a 1. So we get 41.06, in this case, meters to 2 decimal places. We know that the hypotenuse is the longest side. So had we got an answer that was less than 18, we'd have known that we went wrong.